Across the globe, nature is unleashing its power. From volcanic eruptions to devastating floods and storms, here are the latest major events from around the world. We begin in Guatemala, where the Fuego Volcano has once again roared to life. A major eruption is underway, spewing massive columns of ash and glowing lava into the sky. Moving to East Asia, massive dust storms are sweeping across Xinjiang, China. A wall of sand has engulfed the region, plunging cities into near-total darkness and creating extremely hazardous conditions for travel and breathing. In South America, the city of Santa Rosa, in La Pampa, Argentina, is struggling with major flooding. Torrential rains have overwhelmed the streets, turning urban areas into rivers and causing significant property damage across the city. The flooding crisis extends to North America, where heavy rainfall has caused severe flooding in Janesville, Wisconsin. Emergency services are responding to rising water levels that have submerged roads and threatened local infrastructure. Staying in the U.S. Midwest, the weather turned even more violent as tornadoes touched down in the Rochester area of Minnesota. The twisters left a trail of damage, serving as a powerful reminder of this season's unpredictable storm patterns. In Honduras, the crisis is fire, not water. Wildfires are currently raging through the La Montañita forest. Brave firefighting crews are working around the clock to contain the blaze before it reaches nearby residential zones. Finally, in eastern Syria, a massive sandstorm has completely blanketed Deir, ez-Zor. The thick orange haze has brought the city to a standstill, causing severe visibility issues and health concerns for thousands of residents. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest coverage.